Once upon a time, in a cozy little farm nestled between rolling green hills, there lived a small but very adventurous chicken, called Pippa. Pippa was not like the other chickens, who were content to peck at grains and bask in the sun. No, Pippa longed for exploration and excitement. Every morning, Pippa would wait patiently for the farmer to open the coop door, and as soon as it creaked open, off she would go, flapping her little wings and clucking with glee. She would venture beyond the garden, past the old wooden fence, and into the enchanting forest that bordered the farm. One day, as Pippa wandered deeper into the forest than she ever had before, she stumbled upon something remarkable. It was a sparkling stream, glistening in the sunlight. But what caught Pippa's eye were the tiny fish that darted around in the crystal-clear water. "Hello, little fish," Pippa chirped with excitement. As Pippa sat by the stream, a fluttering sound caught her attention. Up in the branches of a grand old oak tree sat a wise-looking elf named Oliver. "Who?" Oliver said, "You seem far from home, little chicken. What brings you to this part of the woods?" "I'm exploring," Pippa replied proudly. Oliver chuckled softly. "Adventure is wonderful, but remember, it's also important to stay safe. The world is big, but with friends like me, you'll never be alone." Pippa nodded thoughtfully, realizing how kind it was of Oliver to offer his friendship and guidance. With a spring in her step, Pippa bid farewell to Oliver and the fish, promising to visit again soon. As she made her way back to the farm, Pippa couldn't help but feel a warm glow inside her heart. She had made new friends and discovered beautiful parts of the world she hadn't known before. And so, every day, Pippa would continue to explore, always finding something new and exciting, always with Oliver watching over, and the promise of friendship in every corner of the forest. Pippa wasn't just a little chicken, she was a little explorer, and her journey was just beginning.